Hello to all of you, this is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to run independent sample ttest using Python for stacked data. So first of all, we'll have to understand the concept of running the independent sample ttest. So in independent sample ttest, we are comparing two groups. Make sure that the participant in both the groups are different. There is no repetition of any of the participant in this group. So we are comparing section A with section B, process A with process B, department A with department B, and there are only two groups for comparison. Our null hypothesis is in this case is there is no significant difference in means of two groups. Now we will have to understand what is the concept of stacked data and unstacked data. So for this, we will go in Excel. Now there are two data sets represented in two different formats. This is stacked data where sections are written here, section A, B, and the marks are written in second column. So section is here and marks are here. This is stacked data. The same data I can also represent here in this format, unstacked data. So section A, the marks of all section A, and section B, so 45, 34, 23, 45, 34, 23, and here 12, 43, 21, 12, 43, 21. Now, to run the analysis for stacked data and for unstacked data is little bit different. First of all, we will run the analysis of stacked data. So we will go in Jupyter Notebook, and first of all, we will import the data file. So import pandas as pd, import numpy as npy, import numpy as np, import researchpy as rp, df is equal to pd.read underscore csv. I'll give the path from where the data has to be imported, and then I'll run the data frame. Now you can see here that if I want to do the comparison of male and female salaries, this is male and female salaries. It is a stacked data. So gender is in one column and salary is in another column. It is like this: male, female, and their salary. So it is a stacked data. So first of all, I will have to extract gender from this data frame. So how can I do this? Import pandas as pd from SkyPy import stats. Now I'll run df is equal to df salary, gender, and copy. So I'll be extracting only two variables from the above data frame, that is salary and gender. Now I'll run the command df gender pd.categorical df gender, convert it into the categorical. Then I will extract the first group. Group 1 is equal to df.loc df gender only, that is equal to f, only the data of female. Group 2 is equal to df.loc df square bracket into inverted comma gender equal to male. Now by doing this, I have extracted two groups, one of female and another of male. Now I'll be running the Levene's test to compare that the variances of these two groups are equal or not. So the null hypothesis of this Levene's test is two groups have equal variances is a null. Alternative is two groups does not have equal variances. So that's a Levene's test. So now I'll run stat comma p is equal to stats.levene. Group 1, which is female, its salary. Please compare it with group 2, male, salary. So we are running here Levene's test. First of all, means are not compared. We are comparing variances. So to run the parametric test, that is independent sample t-test, two assumptions are there. One, the data should be normally distributed and the variances between the two groups should be equal. Okay. Now I'll run print statistics is equal to percentage dot 3f, three floats. So please generate the answer in three decimals. P is equal to percentage dot 3f percentage stat comma p. Interpret. Alpha is equal to 0.05, which is a 5% level of significance. If P is greater than alpha, print same distribution, that is both the groups are having equal variances, and we fail to reject HO. Else print, that is if the value is less than alpha, we reject HO and the distributions are different. So when I'll run this, I'll get the value P is equal to 0.00. So here the Levene's test is this value. According to this value, we have to reject null, and the p value, this is less than 0.05, we reject null, which means that the distributions are different and variances are not equal. Now here we should stop, and we cannot run independent sample t-test because variances are not equal. But for our learning purpose, we will proceed further. Now we'll be running independent sample t-test, and for that stat comma p is equal to stats dot ttest underscore independent group 1 salary, that is a female salary, comma group 2 comma group 2, and it's a salary. The null hypothesis of this test is there is no significant difference in salary according to the gender, or in other words, the mean salary of male and female are equal. Alternative is there is significant difference in salary according to the gender. So all other conditions remain same. I'll request all of you to kindly refer my previous videos to understand the flow of an entire series. So when I'll run this, I'll get p value is equal to 0.000. This value is less than 5% level of significance. We reject null, which means that there is a significant difference in the salary of male and female. So for more videos on data science using Python, kindly subscribe to my channel. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos which are related to data science using Python. Please don't forget to press the like button.